Alright everyone, so we made it out here. Thanks Gabe for the ride. We made it out here to what is it, ChinaTown, I think. So this was, like I said, this is my Uber for today. Yeah, so the plan is they're gonna be doing a cruise from here to Malibu, if I'm not mistaken. This is pretty crazy. BBS's. Ferrari. A lot of details on this car. Wow, it's cool. It's cool. It's awesome. Morning. I think like 20 minutes for more people to show up, and then we're gonna go. Accord gang. This guy goes by, I think, FB6_bear. It's nice. Super cool. Oh, that's how you know him. It's Mikey. It's cool. Cool build. Nice little Mazda RX-2. Corvette. Look at those freaking rotors. Oh shit. Those are big boys, man. Pretty big boys. It's nice. It's really cool. I'm not gonna lie. It's nice 2002. Hell yes, 10 times. So they met up with Gabe at his pad. It's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. It's cool too. Look at this. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. This is rad. I really like this. It's cool. This is what, technically a wagon, if I'm not mistaken. Just listen to this. Oh yeah. Yes. Wow. All my dreams in one right here. Civic's gang. Look at this one. It's cool. Wow, that's cool. They rebarrel these wheels. Wow. This fucking gangster, they rebarrel the wheels. Oh my goodness. And his bag. Look at this shit. Holy crap. All my dreams in one. I just don't like the PDK. I know that's stupid to say when I can't afford one of these cars, but that's the only thing. for track purposes, that's the whole way to go with. That's obvious. That's not, you cannot beat a machine. But realistically, would I be, I guess, taking it to a track? Maybe, I don't know. That's the same problem I have with the GTRs. I don't know, I just can't see myself. I mean, you guys saw the way rival Gabe was banging on gears. Yes, a machine can do it much faster, but I don't know, the feeling of it. I love that Starlet. Hell yes. Hell yes. Oh my god. Hell yes. It's absolutely gorgeous. Nah, get the other one. Look at this.
Looking good on the Regas.
Shit. Fuck yes. Yes. So dope. Woo. Bad boys right here. It's gorgeous. I absolutely love the color. The wheel combo and those big brake kits. I love how those cars already come with big brakes, but they're like, it's not big enough. Let me do my own. Wow. It's gorgeous. They're about to start leaving in about 30 minutes or so. So, yeah. Just trying to get you guys the best footage I can get. Well, staying safe. Paparrush. Ay, papaya de Celaya. No más. Ay. Wow. Talk about freaking gangster ass car. It's crazy. It's awesome. It's gangster. Nice little white body. That's cool. It's cool. I dig it. Nice little meat under there. It's cool. Oh shit, talk about meat.
Come over here and take a seat somewhere. Watch out, Tim.
Damn. It's gangster. It's beautiful. Excuse me, thank you. Another S. So yeah, it's fair to say that LA has the best cars. Not LA, SoCal has the best cars.
I like because it separates us, okay? So back people is slow and then
Back people are slow. Huh. Okay. Look at that. It's beautiful. That's a good shot right there. That M3, papa. That M3. More M3, papa. Look at that meat. Look at that meat. Woo. What you call me right there, homie? Woo. VIP. start getting ready to roll out. I don't know who these people are, but I'm sure they're like big time YouTubers or business owners, which is dope. No hate. Wow. This car is for sale, the Marlboro one. I just saw it. Wow, this color right here is beautiful.
It's so clean, bro.
So yeah. All right, so now we're headed over to the cruise. Thank you for the sandwich and the coffee. It's really good. You're welcome. Woo! And what that means. A little smoky there, EK. Let's see that case swap in there.
Everything you did is this. Thank you. Very.
Ta madre. Deja que el dueño lo haga, güey.
Hydraulic stock. ITR motor.
So that's what's keeping up with us.
2000 spec ITR LSD. Yeah.
It better keep up then. It better keep
I was
up.
gonna say, I hope it has the Type R motor.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, I know it's a Type R.
As long if you had that sticker without it.
Yeah.
Alright, so as you can tell, we're here in Malibu. Big shout out to Gabe for allowing me to stop by and kicking it with him. Obviously, his motor is always ooh and ahs.
Well, it's like a little more power, right?
And we're gonna get into a little edit right now. So that was it. Thank you guys for hanging out with me. If I didn't get your car on the cruise, I do apologize. Nothing personal. It's just there's so many nice cars that I don't want the video to be like 3 hours long. But anyways, pleasure meeting some of you guys. I really appreciate the support. I know I had a few people come up to me and say, hey man, keep doing what you're doing. I really appreciate it, what you're doing for the car community. And so I really appreciate it to you guys for watching. That's honestly the only thing I ask from you guys. So Gabe, thank you so much for driving me around, man. Had a lot of fun. Thank you again for motivating me, just sharing some of your future plans. I really I'm on board with that, man, and nothing but the best. And please continue to execute. You and Danny, you guys are doing a wonderful job. So now I gotta dip home, but man, what an amazing day. And so thank you guys, and more to come.